Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 utility aluminum combo, 36'6" by 102 with a universal mounting kit. This is a beautiful unit, folks. Aluminum deck, wood nailing strips, beautiful aluminum headache rack. The beam condition is in phenomenal shape, very clean, no scale at all. Has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. You can see all the joists have been refinished. The kingpin plate's been checked and verified. Front of the trailer has been weighted for the mounting kit on the back and the forklift capabilities on the rear of this unit. Brand new buyer's toolbox. We come to the rear here, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber. New drums and brakes. This is an air ride suspension, folks. Beautiful unit. Universal mounting kit. Carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Just let us know what you have or what you're looking for, and we'll verify and make any alterations if needed. So we come to the driver's side. Brand new straps. Refurbed outer steel rim. Brand new rubber all the way around. As I said, the beam condition on this unit is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a brand new unit. Jacks have been checked and verified, as well as the kingpin plate. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. We want to thank you for your time.